beloved, have you, your friends, family, been victims of gun violence, God bless you. I've written 2 poems for the Vegas shootings. One is nice. Hopefully make it to the 2nd round, because the 2nd one is not. All right? But this is Blind Bullets. There's nothing more important than family. What the hell just happened? Damn it, not again. Firecrackers? Music stopped. Popping, cracking, running, pushing, shoving, screaming, ducking, dodging, hiding, crawling, crying, falling, bleeding, dying. 600 injured, 71 killed. But all these numbers don't mean nothing. These were people. They said this violence was not an act of terrorism, but it looked like a war zone. Stephen Paddock, a 64-year-old man, so many trying to understand him in hopes of preventing this kind of massacre from happening again, said he was a gambler, his father was mentally ill, murderer of the innocents, men, women, children present at that event. People arguing about gun laws, but for them it's too late. When will people realize on days and nights like this, hurricanes, earthquakes, and bullets don't discriminate? My soul aches. Heroes rose to the occasion, sacrificing their own bodies as shields to protect their family and friends. Police, first responders, securities, and strangers ran back into the hot zone. In the seemingly never-ending barrage hailing down, helped each other over walls and fences, to safety, to cover, awaiting embraces. Good Samaritans shuttling the hurt to the hospital. May the injured have a speedy recovery. Communities pull together. God rest the souls of the departed. Our hearts are with you.